In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place a stop on NinjaTrader. By the end, you'll confidently place stop market and stop limit orders in NinjaTrader 8 using the Super DOM Pricey Ladder and Chart Trader, so you can control risk exactly where you want it. First, let's use the Super DOM, also called the Price Ladder. On your Super DOM, choose the exact price level where you want your stop to trigger. To place a stop market order, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Then left-click on that price level in the SL or BL columns. SL is the sell column, and BL is the buy column. Holding
Order
Control
filled.
and left-clicking in the SL column places a sell stop.
Order filled.
Holding Control
Order
and
filled.
left-clicking in the BL column places a buy stop. You'll see the stop order appear on the ladder at the
Order
price you
filled.
clicked. A stop market order will trigger a market
Order
order as
filled.
soon as
Order
price
filled.
touches your stop level, which helps ensure you get a fill during fast moves. Next, on the same Super DOM, here's how to place a stop limit order. Move to the exact price level you want. Click once with the middle mouse button. This is usually pressing straight down on the scroll wheel at that price level. A stop limit order will display at that price. This type of stop converts into a niche limit order when
Order
triggered,
filled.
which can help you control slippage. Just remember that in very fast markets, a stop limit may not fill if price gaps past your limit. Now let's place stops from a chart using Chart Trader. Enable Chart Trader on your chart so the Chart Trader panel is visible alongside your chart. With Chart Trader enabled, move your mouse to the price level where you want your stop. Right-click on the chart below the current price and select Sell Stop if you're protecting a long position. This places a sell stop at the price you right-clicked. You'll see the order line appear on the chart at that level. Right-click on the chart above the current price and select Buy Stop if you're protecting a short position. This places a buy stop at the price you right-clicked, and the order line will appear on the chart. From here, visually confirm the stops are at your intended prices on the Super DOM or directly on the chart. If you use the Super DOM with Control plus left-click, you placed a stop market order in the SL or BL column at the exact price you selected. If you use the middle mouse button, you placed a stop limit order at that price. If you use Chart Trader, your right-click and menu selection placed a sell stop below or a buy stop above the current price, matching your position direction. Once that's done, your stop orders are active and ready. The Super DOM method is ideal for quick ladder-based placement, while Chart Trader lets you place stops visually on the chart at precise levels. Use Stop Market when you need certainty of execution at the trigger, and use Stop Limit when you want the protection of a limit price after the stop is triggered. At this point, you've successfully placed stops in NinjaTrader 8 using both the Super DOM and Chart Trader, and your risk controls are now in place and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.